And now this is the number 1210 with the head joint for number 3210, so 2000 serial numbers apart. This flute cover is much better. So you can really hear what that head joint is gorgeous. And also, the foot joint from number 3210 fits on this number 1210, which has kind of a more modern foot joint usually, and it's quite nice. If I go back to the foot joint that goes with number 1210, so this again is 1210 with a head joint from 3210. Also fine. Also, this head joint fits in the Rampal flute, the 8000 series flute. So here it is in the Rampal flute. And here's the Rampal head joint in its own flute. It's a very different sound. It's broader. The Villette, the embouchure hole is much smaller. It has that sort of that around the sound, maybe because look at these embouchure holes. The Rampal is the gold one, and you can see how much bigger it is. Let's see. And then the other thing that's kind of, I guess, interesting is if I can get my bearings here, the Villette flute, it's like a shell game. The Villette flute with the Rampal head joint is also very nice. it's interesting. It's more delicate in this flute.